We got damn air raid sirens and shit. The hell? What's up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage and welcome to Fort Sill, Oklahoma. Now this is a big training facility here for the U.S. military. There's a ton of Marines here and it is an Army base. Army guys are gonna be like, TK, why you say it like that? Like it was an issue. I'm gonna go in here and get me some food real quick. They got a place here called Muscle Maker Grill, which I love every time I come in here. So we're gonna go here and get some food and then we're going to go check out the military lot. Alright guys, so welcome on back to another military lot walk around. Now Fort Sill normally has a lot more vehicles on it, usually. I don't know if they've had, you know, because of COVID, there's less people around or whatever, but we're going to show you what they got here today. We got some RVs and some trailers, so we're going to go ahead and get directly into it. Alright guys, so we have the Patriot Edition, a Forest River RV here. 2018 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup Toy Trailer. They want $16,500 for that joint. Whew. I mean, see, here's the thing. A lot of people bought these shits when the market, when they were super high, and they're you know, RVing is huge right now because of the pandemic, but it's not huge enough that you're paying $16,500 for that. That's a little much if you ask me. I mean, it's just my opinion. Whatever, opinions are like assholes, but you know. On to the next one. This would be quick. All right, next we have this Forest River Hemisphere Hyperlight. Now this is still a tow behind, but it's much bigger. It's something that I would use with any one of my trucks, you know, either one of the Rams or the Tahoe, and just hook it up and keep it moving. I like these bigger ones with the slide out because they're great for like weekend getaways and stuff, and you can actually do something with them. Go somewhere and you can post up for a month or whatever and not feel like you're claustrophobic, you're stuck in some damn shit. So I like these. These are not bad. No price or nothing listed on this one, but I was assured everything that is on this lot is actually for sale. Now the star of the video today, we'll see here in just a minute, and believe me, it's absolutely crazy. I apologize for the wind in advance, guys. I know the wind is freaking crazy, but there's not much I can do about it. Mallard by Heartland, another what do you call it, tow behind. You know, a Tahoe could pull this, a 1500 F-150, any of these could tow this. Now this one, they want $23,800. Now it's a 2017. Add-on Wi-Fi extender and AC unit was added. Okay. Now, see, something like this. Now, people are going to say I'm crazy, but something like this at $23,000, it's a lot bigger with slide outs and all of that. To me, now this is just to me, is worth a lot more than one that doesn't have it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got a slide out here for the rear, and then you got a slide out for the bed. This is probably the best deal on the lot in terms of RVs and whatnot. Well, they got the Blackhawks out like crazy today, huh? They're just out chilling. I know they've been doing flight training and they got a ton of Marines here right now. But yeah, this one was not bad. Now let's get to the star of what we're looking at today, and that is this. Now this Ford Bronco is kind of what made me pull in over here to the, well, this is what they call the lemon lot, but is what made me get over here because this is crazy. All right, normally these have a lot of rust, and I see it's got some bubbles like on the fenders and whatnot, but it's not horrible. This is the official OJ Simpson Bronco. Look, I ain't lying. I'm tempted to go pick up a Bronco for a few days so I could do a video on the white OJ Edition 2021 Ford Bronco. But look at this, man. This one is a Marine, Camp Lejeune, right? So I guess maybe they got Marines stationed here at Sill. It could be something new. It is a training facility, so it wouldn't surprise me. But this thing is actually super freaking clean, man. And they came from Camp Lejeune, as you can see there. Now they're asking $8,000 for this. I don't know if it's worth $8,000. I mean, it is, outside of that rust on the fender, it is in very, 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 very good condition, just to be honest. Outside of that rust on that rear fender on both sides. You got some here too. You can see it right there. But outside of that, she's in really good shape. Really, really good shape. And this is probably one of the later ones. It's a 96. So this is after the OJ situation, right? So she's clean, man. She's clean. 1996, 154,000 original miles. You got the locking hubs in the front. She looks fairly clean. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. Not the best military lot walk around I've done. I know this is the only drivable vehicle here and everything else is RVs, but what you want me to do, man? I'm here. I saw this. I was like, I got to get this on video. Totally different. I haven't seen one like this in this condition, even with the rust bubbles, in a long time. So with that said, that's going to wrap it up for me with the military lot walk around out here at Fort Sill in Oklahoma. If you like the channel, if you like this video, if you like what I do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I got a couple different posts I'm going to be rolling through here in the near future that have lots as well, and we'll check those out. But questions, comments, things of that nature, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to try to get that addressed. So with that said, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Perfect.